forecast out there. Plus, big storm system affecting the East Coast over the next few days will likely impact travel plans if you're heading out to any of the major cities in the Northeast or the Mid-Atlantic. There's a live look from our NBC 25 Skycam over Frankenmuth. You saw how the roadway looked wet. It's not wet, it's icy out there, and that's because we had a little bit of light freezing drizzle move in last night. It's just regular drizzle, but once it reaches the ground with temperatures at or below freezing, it freezes on contact, and that's why we have the glaze of ice out there on the roadways, the sidewalks, bridges, overpasses, and also your car. You're going to have to do a little bit of scraping on the windshield as you head out this morning. And now starting to see more snow and possibly even a little bit of freezing drizzle here from West Branch over to Houghton Lake, getting into Oscoda, also trying to drop into Clare and Gladwin. So heads up, we could see a few snow showers this morning in our northern counties. We could see some of that in our southern counties later today as we have our next Arctic front that is going to make things even colder for us as we go into the next 24-hour period. Today, we're starting out right around 30 to 32. Essexville at 30, it's 32 in Corunna, Reese and Lapeer at 31, 31 in Bad Axe, 30 in Beaverton, 31 in Mount Pleasant and St. Louis, 32 in West Branch. By the way, Huron and Sanilac County, heads up. We could see some accumulating lake effect snow showers tomorrow. We'll talk about that a little more in detail here in just a second. But what we're watching now is an Arctic front starting to slice through the UP, getting back into central Wisconsin. That's going to enhance some of the snow shower potential for us today. Not as widespread as it was yesterday, but we will likely see a few flurries and snowflakes flying as we go throughout the afternoon. Temperatures climb up to about 35 degrees, and then behind this system, we have some very cold air back across the upper Midwest. We're looking at temperatures almost into the single digits this morning, and that's the cold air that's going to dive south as we go throughout the rest of the day today. So after maxing out at about 35, we'll see temperatures tonight dropping into the upper teens and low 20s. We'll likely see snow showers and some of that lasting into tomorrow, and tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow morning, in fact. Watch what happens here in the thumb. Everybody today will see that band of snow showers potentially moving through along the leading edge of this front. Again, not a big deal, not as widespread as yesterday. But once the front passes, we get strong north winds over Lake Michigan, strong north winds over Lake Huron. So favored snow belts down south in Indiana and also here in the thumb are going to pick up some light accumulations tomorrow. I think up to a foot across southern Lake Michigan. Thankfully not that much here in the thumb, but we could pick up 1 to 2, maybe even an isolated 3-inch amount. It just depends on if the band stays offshore or if it comes onshore, and we'll be watching that radar very closely for you tomorrow in the thumb. Now the rest of us not expecting any accumulating snow, but we will see more snow showers even for your Thanksgiving holiday. So if you're staying in town, travel looks okay aside from the sloppy stuff we have out there this morning. Aside from snow showers for tomorrow into Thursday, not a big deal. And then by Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we're looking quieter, little warmer, but still below average, and we could still be contending with a lot of the leftover delays, Joel, from that big storm system on the East Coast.
All righty.